LC Originals are one of our most popular pad lines and include our Precision Rotary, our Curved Edge Rotary, our Cutback DA, and double-sided rotary pads. Each of these pad lines includes our flat foam and also our patented CCS technology. LC Originals Curved Edge Rotary pads are made exclusively for rotary machines. Like all of Lake Country's foam pads, Curved Edge Rotary pads use proprietary premium engineered foams with a formulation specific to our product. LC Originals Curved Edge Rotary pads are available in 7.5 inch, 6.5 inch, and 5.5 inch sizes to work with most popular rotary polishers. The curved edge and recessed backing helps center the pad on the backing plate. These LC Originals use a hook and loop attachment to work with 7 inch, 6.25 inch, 6 inch, and 5 inch backing plates. From yellow foam cutting to black foam finishing, there's a curved edge rotary pad to meet any of your rotary polishing needs. Lake Country Manufacturing. Innovation to make life easier.